What's going on, guys? Today I got these in the mail. There's 3 tack boxes. Not in the mail, I got them for Christmas, but I have not opened them. I've cut the tape. You guys get the first peek. Ooh, fresh water. Alrighty, let's see what we got. Oh, it's like thrown in there. I guess they had to fit it somehow. Alright. Some worms. Sorry, it's like red. It's the ad. I'm gonna try to cover this up. Yeah, why can't it be like that or that? It has to be red. Maybe Alright, well, we got some worms right here. Some nice little. It says right here, professional fisherman. Hi, guys. I'm so sorry for it being so red. There we go. Worms. We got this right here. Prove I didn't open it. Still plastic on it. Look at that beauty. Alright. Alright. Last one. Oh, there's one more. Alright, just some hooks. Hooks and a barcode. Some instructions in a sticker. Alright. That's the last thing. Alright. These on the bottom. Alright. We got this giant one and it's a mystery tackle box, but I don't know. What if it's saltwater, guys? Like, leave a like if it's saltwater. Leave a like if it's saltwater or freshwater. I don't know, but you guys get the first peek. I'm not gonna look. I have no idea what it is. I don't know. I don't know what it is. What is it? Oh, it's saltwater. Oh yeah, it is. Look at that. Look at that thing. Let me pull this out of the box real fast.
Is it cold in your place? No. Alright, I love you.
Alright guys, I'm gonna pull this thing out of the box. I'm recording a video right now.
No. You like racing? Okay.
Look at that thing, boy. Thing's sick. Alright. Hooks are sharp. Guys, can you comment down below right now what type of lure this is used for? I would think like something like rubber band. I would say barracuda or something. At least that's what I think. I don't know. You guys could be of different opinion than me. I've been fishing since I was 1. I do have pictures of me fishing when I was young. I won't show them unless we hit 300. So, my goal is to hit 300 subscribers in 3 months. I think we can do it. Alright. Got a little barcode. Guys, scan that right there. Take a second to scan. I'll give you a second. Alright, scan it right now. It'll help you if you want to find a saltwater or a freshwater. Actually, where's the freshwater? Where did I put it? Right here. Alright, I'll show you guys the barcode on that. Where is it? Alright, just take a second to scan that. If you're wondering what this is, I want you to Defy. Alright. Yeah, alright. So we got these right here, some wormies or whatever, little fishies. We got one of these. I know these good are for like some Barracuda because they're silver, and I know silver's really good for them. Could not be silver. I mean, I don't know. You got a hook and weight for beach fishing for the inlet. Yes, I live in Florida. For the inlet. Last but not least, another one of these lures. I don't know what that is. Sticker. Guys, please give me your home address and I will send you some stickers. It's pretty cool fishing stickers. Like this and some others. So yeah. Remember to scan the code. Go get yourself some tackle boxes. Love tackle box. Love mystery tackle box. They're really good. I've been buying them for years now, so yes. So anyway, that's all for today. And well, peace out.